Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, I am Nisha and I want to say hello, welcome to the channel. So today we are doing another throw it back recreation, aka these used to be called flashback Fridays, but I don't usually, you know. Oh, my face itchy, hold on. Oh, have you ever got like an itch that you can't stop itching or scratching and it feels amazing? This is it. Oh my gosh, this is it. Oh. But today we're back with another throw it back type of makeup look where I recreate one of my old looks. And today we are going to be recreating this purple smoky eye. Loved it, beautiful. Quality was horrible. Yeah, I look back and it was hard for me to see exactly what I was using. So I want to give this look another chance because I just want to, okay? So I'm not going to use the same products because I don't even know what I use. I didn't really show the product, so I don't know. So I'm just going to go with something that I have in my collection, of course. And I was like, this is another opportunity for me to try something new as well and recreate that look, you know? So I'm going to be trying out the Pinky Rose 80s Baby palette. And this is what she, hold on, let me take the shield off. Redo. Okay, this is what she looks like. It's a lot of purples, yellow tones, orange tones in here as well. And a little brown up in the mix. Really like this. I can feel myself going in different ways with this palette. So I want to try this out because it's my first time trying out, of course, this palette and this brand. Okay, and then because I have a silver going on in the inner tear duct, there's no silver in this palette, so I'm gonna go in with Juvia as well to get that little splash of silver in my inner tear duct. So enough of the rambling, let's jump right into the tutorial. I'm going to prep and prime my eyes with no other than my eye prep eye prime, and this one in particular is in the shade number 1, which is more of the pelly white color. My camera don't want to focus. Hey yo, camera. Hey, there we go, okay, shade number 1. Am I going with the shade? I really don't know, y'all. I really don't know. I'm gonna put this all over my lid, and yes, this is gonna get messy doing this, but it's all right. It's all worth it towards the end. So one thing I noticed, of course, you know, Nisha, back then I didn't know nothing about a cut crease. So I was doing a lot of like just blended makeup tutorials, and I feel like that's totally opposite of what I do now. Like, I love me a cut crease. So when I do like a blended non-cut crease makeup look, it's like I'm gonna stick to the look. I'm not gonna cut the crease, so I'm gonna follow my steps. I did set my brow bone eyeshadow underneath. I just grabbed a random eyeshadow because there's no nude in here. I think the shade The Baby was more the color that I gravitated to compared to this one. I think it's more this purple. Plus on that video I use a pigment. Oh, look at that. Well, damn. So let's see what this turns out. Oh wait. So that's one thing about the Juvia shade 1 base. I feel like it creases just a little bit. Yeah, that's all I have to say. This purple is beautiful. It is very pigmented. So Pinky Rose, y'all doing that damn thing already with this beautiful purple. I'm just gonna place this all over the lid and going a little bit, I do mean a little bit, into my crease. It's gorgeous. So now I'm gonna go in with the only brown that's in this palette, which is this color right here. The camera looks like it's showing it to be orange, but it's a brown color. So I'm gonna take that on a nice like crease brush, grab that eyeshadow. Let's see. But she's a nice skin tone brown. So I'm now going to buff this in my crease. And usually I go the other way with these stats, but you know, I start with my crease color first and then the lid. But I'm just following the steps that I did in that video, but just using different eyeshadows but the same like color store, if that makes any sense. But I'm making sure that I blend this nicely. I don't know why my crease was so dark in that video. I don't know. Because even when I took the pictures, my pictures didn't show what my eyes looked like in person, which is weird. I don't know what camera I was using in that video, but I know it was very poor quality. But I'm just gonna keep adding this color in my crease. One thing about this look, it's very quick, easy, and simple. I really want my crease to be more blended into my highlight, so I'm gonna just change up my brush, and I'm gonna grab that same brown, and now I'm gonna go right a little bit more higher towards the brow bone, and I'm gonna make sure that my brow bone highlight color and my crease is blended more correctly. I'm gonna go back in with that purple eyeshadow. I'm gonna reapply it because I did lose some of that pigment, especially towards like the crease area. So now I'm gonna hit it a little bit more deeper with that color. Make sure I get more of that in my crease now that I have the brown placed down. Can you see the difference? Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, but I really want to make sure this is nicely blended. One thing I love about colorful like palettes, I feel like it's like a good palette when I have a brown in that mix or a black eyeshadow in that mix. And this has both. It has the brown and the black. So y'all know the next color I'm going to go for. I can leave it like this, but I'm just going to mimic, you know, exactly what I did in that video. So now I'm going to go with the only black deep color in this palette. And I'm going to take a little bit out there because I don't know exactly where I placed that at. I think I went all the way in my crease with that. And I like what I got going on right now. So I'm just going to lightly just tap this towards the outer part just to give some more deep definition towards the outer. But I don't want it to look too harsh. So I'm going to do a little at a time and then slowly just work my way up with this eyeshadow. And like I said, I only focus on this color and my crease. All right, so I'm gonna do some more reapplying because I want this black to not be this harsh. So I'm gonna go back in with that brown. I'm gonna reapply that brown to help blend out this black eyeshadow. And then we're gonna apply the purple just one more time. Put it more towards the crease. I'm a little bit overlapping that black just a little bit so it can blend in, so it won't appear so dark and harsh. So, and there's nothing added on this brush, I'm just blending it out. All right, so I want to pop on some liner and do the rest of my face off camera, and we'll come back with cheek and lips. Okay, so for my bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with that same black eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna pop this on my lash line. So this is definitely gonna smoke this whole entire look out. All right, I did put some pencil in my waterline. This is like really smoky. I think this is the darkest I've ever seen my lash line. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna pop that silver that I have in my inner tear duct. And like I said, I'm going in with the Juvia's grays. I think I want to pop a little bit of, I call it my lash glue, but this is my glitter glue. And I want to pop a little bit of that in my inner, just a little bit. Quickly blend it out with this brush. Make sure it's on evenly. And then my favorite gray or silver in this palette is this one right here. So pretty. So I'm going to pop that one right in my inner. All right, and as for my lashes, I'm gonna go in with Beauty Creation. My fave is the style of the lashes. Okay, for my lips, I kind of want to do something different. I was thinking about going in with a brown lip and then popping like a really pretty like nude color in my inner lip part. So what the heck, let's do it. So this is a Live Glam lipstick, and this one is called Resting Brunch Face. So not resting face, I can't talk. Resting Brunch Face. And it's a really pretty dark brown color. I think I tried this like one time. Let this dry. I'm gonna move on to my blush, and I'm gonna go in with this pretty orange blush. Just pop a little bit of that right there just to warm my face back up. Look at that. Oh, I love this blush. I love this blush. All right, and now for the nude. I kind of like this. Let me think about this really, really hard. I want another color. I add a little bit of this nude gloss. Now I'm gonna gloss it all the way. I'm gonna take my ColourPop LIZZIE. Oh, this came out so pretty and love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, this is so cute. So let me comb this and then I'll come back to show you guys the final look. All right, you guys, so this completes the look. I definitely am here for all of this. All of this, okay? So eyeshadow wise, quality is amazing with this palette. It's creamy, it's soft, it's blendable, and of course the eyeshadows are very vibrant. So I'm totally here for this palette. I will come back and do a couple more looks using this palette. So if y'all have this one, let me know if you guys have this in your collection. If you guys can think of any color combos that you see in here that you would like me to work with, let me know. I would definitely say what's grabbing my attention right away is these 4 eyeshadows right here. I want to do something with the yellows and the golds and this brown, and then these 2 right here are also grabbing my attention for another look. This orange and a teal color. Oh, and this one too, baby blue and purple. So those combos I'm thinking in my head to come back and try using this palette. But I love it. I really do love this palette. I got this for a good steal from BoxyCharm add-on. Like, this was a good steal. If I can find a link to this palette, I will link it down for you guys to check it out as well. I think this is a really good quality eyeshadow palette. And as for the rest of the face, I wanted to keep it nice and not so glamorous since we got so much going on with the eyes. So I kept the face matte, so no highlighter. I have a little bit of highlighter going down my nose, but the face is matte, and I haven't seen my face like this in a long time, but it looks good. And I'm definitely loving the lip combo as well. So I'm here for this whole entire look. I hope you guys like the outcome of this recreation. I'll do a side by side so you guys can see what was going on. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you guys like today's makeup tutorials, or if you guys like makeup recreations that I do, then definitely hit that thumbs up button so I will know what to continue to bring to you guys. But on another note, I'll see you guys on my next upload. You guys have a beautiful day, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.